English tip by tip. Hidden meanings of drive. More than just a car.
Driving plate tectonics forces.
The movement of tectonic plates is primarily driven by three mechanisms powered by the Earth's internal heat and gravity: mantle convection, slab pull, and ridge push. These forces work in concert within a gravity-driven convection system.
Driving automotive vehicles.
To drive a vehicle means to operate and control its direction, acceleration, and deceleration safely and legally. It is a complex task that combines physical skill, mental awareness, and significant personal responsibility for the safety of everyone on the road.
Driving a motor.
A motor drive is a system that controls the operation of an electric motor, managing parameters like speed, torque, direction, and position by regulating the electrical power supplied to it. These drives are crucial for optimizing efficiency and performance in countless applications, from industrial machinery to electric vehicles.
Exercise. Complete. The primary driver of plate movement is convection currents in the earth mantle. Earthquakes are primarily driven by plate tectonics. The most fundamental requirement to drive a vehicle is obtaining a valid driving license. Insurance is fundamental to drive a vehicle. A working engine is fundamental to drive a vehicle. The main purpose of a motor driver is to act as an interface between a control system and an electric motor.
Please subscribe to the channel, not to miss any tip. Please share it to your friends.